Hi, Jez from youHQ, and this is a teacher video to show the administrators some of the advanced options that we've just brought in as new features on youHQ. So one of the things we brought in recently is you can turn on and off the goal approval functionality. So at the moment, I've got the approval comes up with a number of goals that I need to approve. So you can see here that on this one, I've got a goal that's come through, drink 3 litres of water every day. And I can either approve or not approve that. I can put a message in and I can choose the amount of gold, which is the currency we've created for youHQ, that I'm going to award that student. Some schools are saying that that's a little bit too much for teachers. They've got a lot on their plates. Obviously, you all have very busy people, so you can choose to turn that off so that goals are approved automatically. So what you can do here, if you go to My School and go to Settings now, then on this tab, there is a very small little tick box here that says approve goals automatically. That's underneath the color of the banner and the logo and everything else, which you probably don't want to play around with unless you are the administrator wanting to change what it looks like. But if you tick that, then it will automatically award gold, and you can change the amount here by moving it up or down to students. So that then saves you having to read all these goals that are coming through and approve them yourself. The benefit of doing that is you get to see some genuine goals come through from your students, and you can have conversations with them and you can praise them about the goals that they are setting themselves and hopefully then they're achieving. And that's how we designed youHQ. But if you don't have that time, then you can just allow students to set their goals. There's an element of trust there. They're setting meaningful, worthy goals, and then they earn themselves points, and it just automatically goes through when they click that they've actually achieved that goal. So just on the student side, if I achieve a goal, if I go to one of my goals here and I tick that there, then it will come up with that congratulations. I can attach a file if I want to, and I can submit, and it will automatically earn me gold here. So that just shows you can turn that function on or off. You can either turn it on for all students and the whole school, or off. You can't turn it on or off for individual classes or for individual students at the moment, so you've just got to make that choice. Hopefully that helps. Thanks very much, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.